What are the key factors that influence property prices in Bengaluru? There are many. Let's uncover some of the major key factors. First up, home loan rate. Always keep an eye on low interest rates so that you can save big bucks. With lower interest rate, potential buyers can secure larger loans at a lower EMI. By keeping an eye on home loan rates, you can find the best deal for yourself. Secondly, sustained job growth and infrastructure development. A booming industrial sector opens up a lot of jobs and opportunities, leading to real estate investment. The city's IT and startup ecosystem keeps the demand for housing strong. And third, favorable government policies. Government policies and regulation plays a crucial role in shaping the real estate market. Policies with transparent and efficient regulatory framework create a sense of security for both buyers and investors. What are some more queries you would like to know? Comment down below. Follow Broker in Blue for part 2 and more insight on the dynamic world of real estate. We broker responsibly.